doing? Yo, what's up? Welcome back, and today we're gonna be lowering the single cab F-150. It is about damn time. I ain't even gonna lie, this is the ride stack. I've been waiting for this for a very long time. They sent half of it, and then like 2 weeks later, they sent the other half of it. So I was like, I had to wait, so it's no big deal. We gotta go through this whole big mess and organize. I hate being unorganized, but let's go ahead and get right into it. Looks like we have all the shocks, control arms, shackles, springs. Looks like all the hardware is here. We gotta connect these. We gotta make the coilovers. I'm not looking forward to that. I've actually never done that, so it's gonna be fun to do. Yeah, let's go ahead and get these coilovers made. Bam! Just like that, coilovers are made. Let's go ahead and start on the rear. Alright, so here's a little better picture. We have the wheel off. So this bolt right here, I'm gonna try and adjust the camera. So this bolt right here, the gas tank's right here, you can take the gas tank out, but even in the directions or instructions, it says it's easier to just cut it. So you're gonna loosen that, cut it right there, and then use the new hardware that they give you. So this doesn't look too hard. You gotta take the leaf spring out, put the flip kit on, swap out shocks. Yeah, seems like a very easy process. Bump stops too, you gotta take those out. So yeah, let's get to work. Alright, just like that, you bolts come out. Should be able to get this leaf spring out as soon as we loosen up that other bolt over there. Alright, now we have it to where these jacks are holding this rear diff up. Yeah, now we can actually take the leaf springs out.
A few moments later. A few minutes later. Three days later. Eight weeks later.
Finally got the damn bolt out. Dang, we got the leaf spring out. Here's the bolt you had to cut. That was hell. Yeah, leaf springs out, we gotta put the flip kit. Okay, so this is the other side, the other bolt that we had to cut from the other side. In the video that I watched, you didn't have to cut this bolt, but it looks like we're gonna have to cut this bolt because this big ass resonator's in the way, so. I'll be honest, I'm not even sure if we have enough blades, because I only bought 2 and it'll work. Where's the damn Sawzall at? Oh, it's right here. So yeah, we're gonna have to cut the other side. Oh well. All right, so we got the other leaf spring out. That bolt was a lot easier to cut because there's more room. So we're gonna go ahead and swap everything that we need to swap. And we're a little trouble with this flip kit. We have no idea how this goes, even with the instructions. So we're doing a lot of research. We're probably gonna. All right, well, here's progress. We got the leaf spring back in. We got the kit swapped over, so now it's sitting under the axle. We got the shingles in. Got this other bracket in, so all we got to do is tighten everything down, and that should be it. Drop looks pretty good. It's actually, it doesn't. The rear looks good. This looks gay, but we tightened everything down, torqued it down, had no issues, right? No issues.
You lying? Why you always lying? Oh my God! Stop your fucking lying!
I was just working on this side. He doesn't look like he's having too much fun. But I'm just gonna go ahead and start on this driver's side. Pretty much all you gotta do is just disconnect the front of this control arm. One bolt's right there, the other's right there. And once that's out, take that out and we can work on this coilover and get that out. Both of the fronts done. Sorry I didn't record. I had a battery die and had to have it charged. So we're back in. Just gotta put the wheels on. Actually, we gotta grease it a little bit. And that should be all. I don't have a flash on this camera yet. That's tough.
How much was it?
Huh?
How much was it?
This camera?
Yeah.
About $1,000.
And then you got a flash on it?
And if you can see the mess we have, these are the stock springs, shocks, everything stock. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Probably sell it or something. Sell these wheels too. But yeah, we have a mess over here. This side was fun because this side dropped on us. The jack slipped out and this whole side fell on us. That shit hurt. I ain't even gonna lie, it hurt very badly. But hey, we're pretty much done. We just gotta wrap up, put the wheels on, and call it a day. So I will probably continue recording in the morning so y'all can see what this looks like in daylight. Peace out. Yeah, lower that bit. She's sitting nice now. She's sitting nice now. How you feel after this long day? Free fucking labor. It ain't free labor. I'm paying his dinner tonight and I'm gonna take him to McDonald's. Are you okay with that? Well, it's now the next day and this truck is looking insane. I think I fell in love with this truck a little bit more now. I may have to adjust the front a little bit lower because I mean it looks kind of level, I ain't gonna lie. It looks a little level. I might just leave it like that. But yeah, the drop is now done. I guess now we can do the paint match or an exhaust. Well, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know this isn't really of how to install. I kind of just blew through it because mainly the battery died on this camera, so I couldn't really keep recording, but I tried to get as much as I could. It wasn't, if you follow the instructions, it's not hard to do. It was pretty easy, but it's a hell of a lot easier if you have 1 or 2 people to help. So yeah, that's it for the video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Anyways, if you're new, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Anyways, peace out.